guys, I am so excited. I figured I probably needed to come and just do a dedicated video to our Shop With Me Meet and Greet event that will be taking place not this Friday as in tomorrow, but the following Friday, which is Friday, November the 17th at 11 o'clock a.m. So we are planning from 11 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. and we're meeting and greeting and shopping at Kake Magic here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Okay? 1415 Mart Boulevard. Of course, I'll put that information on the screen. And you guys, I did a community post. I just checked it a little bit ago, so it was 13 days ago. So let's say 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, I did a community post about us getting together and doing this. It's really an impromptu meet and greet, shop with me. And see, what had happened was, and this is a true story, I was running errands a couple of weeks ago, and since I've been hitting y'all in the head, still hitting y'all in the head with those vibrant, beautifully colored velvet cakes, I needed some more of my chocolate oil. I had been doing some things at the church, needed to run some more errands. I said, let me run by Kake Magic really quick. I'm gonna run in, grab me about 4 or 5 bottles of the chocolate oil. I'm out the door. But then I also thought, I don't have my camera with me. Watch, this will be the day that I run into a YouTube family member. And sure enough, I'm coming in the door, I'm running in, thinking I'm gonna run in and out, and there was this lady standing at the checkout counter. She had a mask on, and when the door came open and the jingle on the door, she looked, and when she saw me, she pulled down her mask and said, "Miss Donna!" And it was so funny because she said that she had just said, I would love to run into Miss Donna one day at Kake Magic. And listen, how about it happen? So as we were talking, and her name is Miss Bynum. If you're watching, hey, Miss Bynum. But as we were talking and Miss Lou was, standing there checking her out, I made the comment that, you know what, I just said one day we just all need to get together and we just meet up at Kake Magic, do a little shopping, get to see each other, greet each other. Because of course y'all know what I look like, but the majority of you guys, dude number one, aka my husband and I, we don't know what you all look like. So, of course I wanted to run it by Miss Lou before, I decided to, y'all wait a minute, I'm turning this air on because it is summer again in North Carolina. It's what, 80 something, it's 82 degrees. Oh child, in any event. So you guys know what we look like. We don't know what you look like. You guys are some of the sweetest people. And you guys have no idea how much you mean to us. And you talk about we make your day. You guys just don't know how much you make our day. So, as I was standing there talking to Miss Lou, I looked at my calendar and I'm like, well, let's do it. And then y'all got a little cricket on me. Let's do it. So I came up with the date of November the 17th, which is the Friday before Thanksgiving. And I just thought it would be great. I know a lot of you, some of you will have already started your baking for Thanksgiving, but then honey, Christmas is coming. So I said, well, let's get our supplies, at least some of them that we want to bake with. You guys ask me all the time about the Laura Ann oils, the cream bouquet. So I thought, let's just get together at Kake Magic. Now, Miss Lou, I knew she was closed on Mondays, but learned as we were conversating that she's also closed on Wednesdays. She even offered to open the store just for us on a Monday or a Wednesday so we could shop and do the meet and greet. I thought that was so sweet of her. And I told her, I said, no, Miss Lou, I don't want you to have to come and open the store and it's your day off and just, you know. And I said, you know, and furthermore, I don't know what the turnout is going to be. It could be 5 people. Excuse me. It could be 10 people. It could be 20. It could be 100. I don't know. You know, I said there may not be that many people since this is kind of, I really don't want to say short notice, but you know, you guys had about a month notice. And Miss Lou said, you'd be surprised. Because they're always coming in here asking, has Miss Donna been in here? Have you seen Miss Donna? Y'all, they even told me one time this man came in and said, when Miss Donna comes in, would you please get her to give me her autograph, like sign this piece of paper, and so I can have her autograph. Sir, negative to the no, to the no, to the no. Man, you ain't ready to get my signature. I don't know what it is you might be trying to do with my signature, sir. So we didn't do that, y'all. I hate this exit. I always say it because you have to get all the way over. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So I said, no, sir. I told her, I said, no, sir, we not. I'm not gonna leave my autograph for nobody. But anyway, so you guys, we are so excited. What I need you to do, and I'm gonna say this now before I forget it, because there's really no way for me to kind of forecast who's coming. I just don't know. So if you know that you're coming, please give me some green hearts in the comment section of this video. If you know you're gonna be here on November the 17th for our shop with me and meet and greet, please leave me some green hearts. Y'all know green is my favorite color. Leave me some green hearts. Miss Donna, I'll be there. Can't wait to meet you, something. But just make sure, even if you don't say anything, if you put some green hearts, I know that means that I can expect to see you on Friday, November the 17th, okay? 11 o'clock a.m. And you guys were almost here, so I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can kind of see where we're going to kind of know you're in the right place, okay? Ooh, I'm so excited. So if by chance, again, I don't know what traffic is gonna look like, you do see that there are some, you know, parking in and around this area. So hopefully, you know, there won't be an issue with parking or traffic. Like I said, I just do not know what to expect. I do not know, okay? So we are here, and what I wanted to do, I wanted to go in and talk to, you know, Miss Lou to, you know, just confirm, although it was confirmed that day because she put it on her calendar. Just let her know, Miss Lou, honey, we not playing. We gonna be here next Friday, November the 17th. And it will just be an opportunity for us to love on you guys a little bit. We're gonna have some giveaways. We have some prizes and just some things that Dude Number One and I, we want to share with you all, just to say thank you, so much for your support. We are trying to make sure that you just know how much we appreciate you, okay? So there are going to be some door prizes, some giveaways, and some raffles. Not necessarily, I guess maybe I would call it a raffle. I don't know, but honey, I just know we're going to be giving some stuff away. So we are so excited, and hopefully we'll see you here, okay? So let's get on in here, talk to Miss Lou for just a second, and then we'll head on back. I'm ready. It's supposed to be 69 for the high. That's what it's showing right now. Okay, you guys, we're checking the weather for next Friday to kind of see, because, and sunny. So that's what the weather is showing right now. So on the 17th, we will have to limit the number of people that.
Sleet, freezing rain, and lightning.
No, Miss Lou. No. See, no.
Go get on the bus.
I know, right? And you guys know this camera is facing me, but See, Miss Lou has just thrown me all off. What was I saying? It's supposed to be sunny and pretty. I was saying we're going to have to limit the number of people who are in the store at one time. So I was hoping that there is pretty weather so we can be outside and hanging out. See, y'all see all these oils, See, we're coming here to shop. Y'all, let's just come on and just buy Miss Lou out the store. Let's just. Miss Lou, you have some more stuff on order in the back. You have some more stuff in the back.
More cream bouquet.
That, ooh, you have.
In the back and it's on order too.
It's on order. Okay. Ooh, you have the chocolate. Y'all, this is the chocolate I was wanting last time. I had to get the super, and the super white was fine, Miss Lou. It was fine. So, but anyway, so I just wanted to swing by. We are excited, so you guys come prepared to shop. If you need some pans to bake in, if you need your, let's see. Y'all know I'm trying my best to make sure I don't get Miss Lou on this camera. Your to-go boxes and cupcake boxes and even the half cake pans for those of you that do the half pound cakes or whatever. If you need pie boxes and the boards, everything is here, okay? So please, I'm excited, you guys. I'm excited, okay? All right, well, let me finish talking to them, getting some more details about what all we're going to be doing. If you need color, if you need the food coloring, okay? All right, so again, I don't know how to forecast for who all is coming, but I guess we'll see next Friday. Okay, well, Miss Lou and her staff, they are ready for us. I think they are just as excited as we are. So you all, listen, if you're coming, be on your best behavior. Don't be coming to the Kitchen Cake Magic trying to show out, because if you do, I'm going to send you back to your car. How about that? So I'm excited, but again, we just want to take this opportunity to just have some fun and share a few gifts and giveaways with you all. I'm just excited, you guys. I'm just excited. So, like I said, if you know that you're coming, just put some, give me some green hearts in the comment section below. And also, right past Kitchen Cake Magic, there is a credit union down close to the corner. They said, of course, you cannot park in that parking lot. So make sure you remember that. Do not park in the credit union. Excuse me, y'all. I cannot stand dry lips. Make sure the camera on. Yeah. Make sure you cannot park in the credit union parking lot. Okay. So again, it's a go. I'm excited to see you guys on Friday the 17th at 11 o'clock for us to just meet and greet and us meet so many of you that have commented and just supported us for so many years, and even those of you that may be new. So if you cannot come this time, I'm sure that there will be another opportunity for us to get together. I cannot wait to really see what the turnout is going to be, because Miss Lou and Miss Karen and some of the other folk that work in there, they've talked about how many people come in all the time asking about me or coming in to get, get the cream bouquet, and it just blesses my heart. It warms my heart. So again, we're excited. We're getting ready to end this video. Had to make this special announcement. So just remember, when you come, be on your best behavior, because you never know who's in the crowd, the kind of people who are in the crowd, okay? So just make sure you come and you be on your best behavior. And that's all we're going to say about that. All right? So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting that nosy. That way you'll be notified whenever we're doing whatever it is we're doing. Thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.